takes a lot of glue to manufacture wood products. And glue is great, it sticks things together. Unfortunately, it also sticks to things you'd prefer it not to. In other words, it kind of makes a mess. Hi, I'm Tashia Potter, and wood is one of the 5 elements to clean. Here at Coulson Ice Blast, we make industrial cleaning machines that blast with real ice. The same ice you put in your drink is crushed up and shot out at high speeds. So the ice caliber focus nozzle is the one that you'd want to be using to remove these glues and resins. Why, you might ask? The ice caliber focus nozzle is the one that you want to use when power counts. Ice blasting uses 95% less water than a pressure washer. This reduction in water makes it a much more practical cleaning method for cleaning indoors, such as in wood manufacturing or pulp and paper plants. It can also be used to clean areas that are much more sensitive to moisture. When ice impacts the surface, it melts and creates a mist of water that drags all the contaminants down. This makes it a great method of cleaning off wood fibers while reducing the amount that becomes airborne. Ice blasting can also be used to tackle much harder contaminants. In this example, black liquor is being cleaned off a pulp mill fan. We've now covered off earth, metal, water, and wood. Stay tuned for our final element, fire.